Hi there, hope everyone is coping as best as they can and staying safe during COVID-19. I know it's nearly next to impossible to find disinfectant wipes out there, so with that being said, if you're looking for a way to make your own, I'm going to show you just how you can do that. The following ingredients that you will require is a bottle of ethyl alcohol. This one I did purchase at Canadian Tire. An empty can of Lysol wipes if you have kicking around at home. This size or this size, either one will work. And then a package of cloths. So now I'm going to show you how you can make those step by step. Okay, so first we're going to open our package of cloths here. So there's 25 in a pack. And we're just going to take a few sheets. Depending on how good your scissors are, you can take more. So lay the rest here. What I find works really well is cutting them in threes. They work perfect in this size container. I'm gonna get my assistant to just hold this. Come here, Olivia. Hold them very tight. So I'm gonna cut them in threes. Okay, there's one. We're just going to do another set here. So that's the first step. Okay, so step 2, you're going to take your container, take the lid off, and then you're going to take your sheets that you cut, and I just take probably about 4 or 5 sheets, and I fold them in half, and then I insert them in the container just like that. And then you'll continue to add the sheets just right up until the container is full. Okay, so just pat that down to make a little bit more room. Still lots of room there to add more. There we go. And once your container is full, I will take you through to the last step. Okay, so the container is pretty full there, it's snug. So the last step is you'll take your alcohol hand sanitizer and you'll pour it in the container. Sheets, and you'll need half of that bottle for this container here. And then once you're done doing that, you'll just put the cover on top, and there you go. And then you can start using them as you use your Lysol wipes. So if you liked this video and found it useful, feel free to share, give it a thumbs up, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel so you'll get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you guys all have a great day.